Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zoho Expense app. This powerful tool helps you manage business expenses effortlessly. First, download the app from your device's app store. Then, simply log in with your Zoho account or sign up for a new one in just a few moments. Once inside, you will find a user-friendly dashboard designed for quick navigation and easy access to all essential functions, making expense tracking straightforward from the very beginning. Recording your expenses is incredibly simple with Zoho Expense. You can instantly capture receipts by taking a photo with your smartphone camera, ensuring no detail is missed. Alternatively, manually enter all necessary expense information, including the exact amount, date, and relevant category. For even greater convenience, link your credit cards to automatically import transactions, saving you valuable time and reducing manual entry errors throughout your workday. Once you have recorded your expenses, creating and submitting reports is the next step. Easily group several individual expenses into one comprehensive report, ensuring everything is neatly organized. You can also add important notes or attach any additional supporting documents directly to your report. When ready, simply submit your completed expense reports for approval with just a few taps, streamlining the entire process for you and your team. After submission, you can effortlessly track the progress of your expense reports. Monitor the real-time status of each report, knowing exactly where it stands in the approval process. You will receive instant notifications when your reports are approved or, if necessary, rejected, allowing for quick adjustments. Furthermore, view your reimbursement status and payment details directly within the app, providing complete transparency and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.